Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So students, in this class also we are going to do 2 to 3 different problems on trigonometric identities. See, if you want to get a good grip over all the trigonometric identities, you need to solve lot of problems, and it purely depends on your practice. So if you do the practice very well, for many more problems, if you do practice, simply you can solve any one trigonometric identity based problems. Means you need to prove something like this. Okay, just prove it. What we have to prove here? We need to prove that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus tan theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to this. Means secant theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. So let us consider LHS part. LHS. What is that LHS part? Sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus this is tan theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, this is what your LHS part, and you need to obtain this RHS. Okay, anyways, just do something here. Consider this tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, because all the remaining terms are in terms of written in terms of sin theta and cos theta, only except this term. This numerator part is tan theta. Now convert that tan theta in terms of sin and cos. Then how can we write it? Okay, sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. If you rewrite this tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, how can we write it? Just see, sin theta by cos theta, this is tan theta into 1 by tan theta. So here into 1 plus cos theta. So this is what the expression. We did nothing here, we just converted this tan theta in terms of sin and cos. That's all. We have done that only. Now do one thing. Here in numerator part and denominator part, if anything is in common, just take them common. Okay. Now sin theta is a common term in both of the numerators, then take it out. Okay. Now taking common sin theta over here, what do we obtain? Okay. 1 by 1 minus cos theta, because here sin theta is taken out. So here 1 by 1 minus cos theta, here sin theta is taken out again, so cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, right? So this is what the expression is obtained after taking sin theta in common from both the terms, right? Okay, anyways, so here sin theta into, now do one thing, simplify these two terms. Okay, 1 minus cos theta plus 1 by, this cos theta into 1 would be cos theta into cos theta would be cos square theta, right? Now we just simplified, means we multiplied these terms of the denominator part of the second fraction. Okay, now here sin theta into 1 now you want, if you want to simplify this expression inside the bracket, then you take the LCM of both the denominator part. So how to take the LCM? As we said before, multiply this into 1, multiply this into 1, do that first. 1 plus 1 into this entire expression, cos theta plus cos square theta, because it is multiplied with 1, then we will get same. Okay, plus 1 minus cos theta into 1, so that would be 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into okay, just write it down, cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now do one thing for our convenience. Actually we would have left it before only, but for our convenience I will take common cos theta once again here in the denominator part. That is here sin theta Okay, sine theta into, just see here, if you observe in the numerator part, cos theta and minus cos theta are get cancelled. Now cos square theta plus 1 is left over. So that is 1 plus cos square theta is left over. Now for my convenience I am taking this as 1 minus cos theta, and now just for my convenience I am taking cos theta common from these two terms of the expression. Okay, this is 1 plus cos theta. One plus cos theta. Now tell me here, sine theta into 1 plus cos square theta. Okay, 1 plus cos square theta by, just see here, this is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So how can we write this? A plus b into a minus b, that is algebraic identity. That would be a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 square means 1, okay, minus cos square theta into cos theta, right? Into cos theta. Now just see here, sine theta into 1 plus cos square theta by, again consider trigonometric identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then if you take this cos square theta to another side, then what happens? Sine square theta equal to 1, here plus will be converted to minus, that is cos square theta. So here in denominator part 1 minus cos square theta is there or not? So 1 minus cos square theta can be replaced by sine square theta or not? Exactly. So here this would be sine square theta into what? Cos theta, right? Now just see here, in numerator part there is a sine theta and in denominator part sine square theta. So can we cancel one of the sine theta among them or not? Okay. Now what is left over? 1 plus cos square theta by sine theta into cos theta. Just I am simplifying one by one step. Okay, now just what happens, tell me here. Now separate the fractions. We can rewrite this as what? 1 by sine theta cos theta into cos square theta by sine theta cos theta. Separate the fractions over there. 1 by sine theta cos theta, okay, plus cos square theta by sine theta cos theta. Okay, now just see here. Here if you carefully observe, in the numerator part cos square theta is there and denominator part 1 cos theta is there. So therefore 1 cos theta can be cut down. We can cancel. See here, we can rearrange like 1 by sine theta into 1 by cos theta or not? Okay, for a moment I will write this as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta. We can write like this or not? 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta. I have done nothing, just 1 by sine theta into cos theta I split it into product of 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta, right? Next, plus, now how can we write it? Here cos theta by cos square theta by sine theta. Okay, so now how can we write here? Cos square theta is cancelled here. Now cos theta by sine theta is left over. So that would be cos theta by sine theta. Okay, now observe this carefully. 1 by cos theta means what? Is it secant theta or not? Exactly, because cos and secant are reciprocals of each other. And 1 by sine theta is what? Cosecant theta, because cosecant and sine ratios are reciprocals of each other. And what is cos theta by sine theta? It's cot theta, because ratio of cos to sine gives you cot ratio. Okay, so now what happens here? This is secant theta into, that is cosecant theta. 1 by sine is cosecant theta plus cos by sine would be cot theta. I think we obtained our required answer. So therefore we obtained RHS. Okay, so therefore I think you understood this, guys. We took LHS part and we obtained RHS, so therefore we could prove it. Okay, we have proved it, like just by using simple trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right. So these all are the very simplest models, but you need to apply your mind a bit. I mean, you need to focus on the problem and you need to solve each and every term individually, and by just doing the small simplification you are getting the answers. Okay.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.